This is the second match of the tournament. Warriors A versus Harbison Cricket Club. Warriors A won the toss, elected to bowl. Pitch conditions has been quite invariable. The match 2 is getting live on Sobby Thomas YouTube channel. Primary commentator Mr. Vishal Sharma is playing this match, hence he is not sitting in the comm box. Generally, previous match has been average scoring, except few overs in the first innings, which was played by Falcons. Otherwise, the scoring has been a bit tough. Just run a ball. Warriors have won the toss and they're trying to exploit the bowling conditions. Opening batsmen Raj and Vivek from Harbison Cricket Club. Chandan from Warriors A will start the bowling. Has been overcast conditions since the morning. Hopefully it remains same and we don't want to see any rain disrupting the matches. Umpires Sachin and Rishikesh.
वार्म अप करना है जल्दी घर में वो खड़ा पर कोई बिठाएंगे
Field settings are as such that throughout the 10 overs, fielding team should have 2 players within the circle. Otherwise, the rest of the players can be outside the circle in the boundary. Slightly a change from the previous season. First over from the Warriors. Chandan to start the first spell. Vivek on strike. Chandan to bowl the first ball. Good straight drive from Vivek. Single taken. Chandan seems to be bowling with his sunglasses on. Chandan is about to bowl his second over to left-hander Raj. Oh, that's a good flick shot. Straight into the hands of the boundary fielder. First wicket for Warriors. Raj gone out. Ball by Chandan, catch by Piyush. The deep backward square leg. Warriors on top at the moment. New batsman to the crease, Faisal, right-handed. Chandan to bowl his third over of his first spell. Well bowled. It's a good shot from Faisal, gone for 6. Oh, the square leg. Full toss, sliding down the leg from Chandan. Good flick from Faisal for a 6.
चार टॉस नहीं यार पिच क्रैश
Easy ones are generally converted to 6. Oh, that's a good ball. Inside edge onto the stamps. Faisal got out, bowled. Chandan got his wicket number 2. 5 balls. 2 wickets for 7 runs. Excellent start from Warriors. Looks like Hawkinson are going all guns blazing. After the bowlers, probably someone has to hold and not lose too many wickets.
टॉस बॉल नहीं वही
Chandan on to his last ball of his first over. Slided down the leg and a flick for a single. 1 run taken. First over up. 8 runs. 2 wickets down. Hawkinson Cricket Club. Good start for Warriors.
शाबाश शाबाश चंदन स्कोर 7 ना 8 8 तुझे क्या
Vishal Sharma to bowl the second over for Warriors. His first over. He seems to be going around the wicket. The new batsman Faizan on strike. Vishal's first ball has been spot on around the wicket. Full ball. Oh, that's a loopy full toss from Vishal. A bit smart bowling, who is taking the ball away from the batsman. Again a loopy ball landed on the full on the driving length, driven straight, single taken. Vivek on strike. Hawkinson have lost 2 quick wickets. Interesting to see how they're going to place this innings. Ah, that's a good ball. Impeccable length. Loopy ball, pitching on the middle. Full toss.
बढ़िया रे मस्त है
A single taken.
दीपक कौन है नहीं विशाल मसाला मसाला
Vishal has been bowling. Usually he has a higher pace. Seeming to bowl a little slower today. Oh, it's an uneven bounce on the wicket. It's a very good over from Vishal. Two overs up, 10 for 2. A well-contained over from Vishal. He just gave 3 runs. Chandan is continuing his over in the spell. Chandan to bowl first ball of the third over and Vivek on strike. Well bowled on the off. It was a front foot defense for a single. It's a short ball. A good pull shot. All the way for 4. Oh, that's a 6 runs all the way. Good shot. It was a bit short of length and well picked up by the batsman. There was no bounce, lack of bounce. Outside the off line, but there was no bounce. A dot ball there after a 6. Oh, it's in a full toss outside the off, dragged down towards the cow corner for a single. Single taken. So far it has been a contained over, except the 6. It's a well loopy slow ball outside the off, moving away from the batsman. Batsman is looking for the pace in the ball, but Chandan has been bowling a mid-low range of pace. Again, it's a very slow ball with not bouncing. It's been a bit up and down. Good comeback from Chandan after the 6 that was hit on the second ball.
gloves
3 overs up for Haugesund Cricket Club. 18 runs for 2 wickets.
तुमने
So far it's been a tight bowling from Warriors A.
नहीं पर अभी सेट होगी ना तो कल के मैच में देखना 100 जाएगा
फिक्स सेट हुआ
ये क्या ये परेश
New bowler for Warriors. Bowling the 4th over of the innings. It's the bowler Paresh. He's quite new on the Big Bash circuit. Seems to be having a quite long run up. Bowling his first ball. That's a good drag on and a good catch on the boundary. Excellent catch by Ishan Chaudhary, the fielder, on the extra cover boundary. Hawkinson have lost their third wicket. Faizan has lost his wicket. The new batsman onto the strike, Debojit for Hawkinson Cricket Club.
शॉट एंड फुल टॉस पिच इट फैजान बराबर है ना आज यार आज का मैच कर दोगे लाइव स्ट्रीम और ध्रुव वाला
Paresh has started well with the first wicket on his first ball.
मैं नहीं करूँगा, वो चंद ये करेगा
ना
धनुष का करेगा।
Has a long run up. Again, that's a pacey, loopy ball which was dragged towards the leg, square leg. Ganesh picks it up and throws it back to the bowler. Good start from Paresh. Hawkinson are trying to build the innings, but at the same time they'll be eyeing for a good score.
सिंगल
Pitched outside the off, and there was no much pace on the ball. Hence the cut has not travelled a lot. So far he has started well, Paresh. He's bowling in mostly outside the off. Oh, well bowled outside the off in the driving length. Well played, Debo for a single. Paresh has bowled well so far. He looked to close the over as he has started well. Oh, that pitched in a good length and slowed down there. Batsman did not get enough time to cut the ball. Paresh seems to be a bit sticky bowler who delivers at a pace, but it stops on the pitch. Again a full ball on a driving length. Lack of pace misjudged by the batsman. 4 overs up, 21 runs for 3 wickets. 4 overs. Warriors have bowled well so far. Hawkinson are searching for those runs to put up a good total on the board. Warriors are changing the bowler. They're bringing in Pawan Kumar. Pawan is a very good pacer. Bowls at a very decent pace and a very good action. Pawan to start his first over. 5th over of the Warriors innings. Pawan has been playing the tennis ball cricket for a very long time now. On the leg, and well, good flick by Debo for a single. Picked up by Anil on the backward square leg. So far it's been a slow start for Hobson. Oh, good shot. Drag down. Straight. Good thing about Hobson here is they are rotating the strike, not allowing any dot balls here. Oh, it's a good shot. Good pull from Devo. Pick up from the square leg boundary by Ganesh and a good throw back to the bowler.
शाबाश पवन
Haugesund are trying to rotate the strike. Soon there should be a big shot coming. There you go, the first big shot in the air. And well caught by Chandan in the boundary. Ball Pawan, caught by Chandan. Fourth wicket for Haugesund. Vivek gone. Vivek was there for almost 4.5 overs, trying to stick there and rotate. Vivek out, new batsman Hamza Malik. Looks like he's playing first time here for the Big Bash. Facing his first ball. Oh, the ball did not bounce. Well bowled by Pawan. The ball did not bounce much, so Hamza did not have much timing there. It's been a good over from Pawan. He's going to bowl his last ball. He'll be looking to close the over well. Oh, well, that was a good slow ball on the leg side. Batsman trying to drag the ball, completely missing, hit the legs, and that's a dot ball. 5 overs up, half the way mark for 5 overs up, 24 runs. It's been a slow start for Haugesund. Definitely they would probably not be very happy with the score that they have on the board right now. They'd like to up the run rate and get to at least the 70-80 mark to put up some decent total. Ishan bowling his first over. Oh, that's a good flick shot from Debo. And we are trying to check which was a 6 or a 4. Oh, that was 4. Good flick shot from Debo. Debo is putting all his efforts to up the score. First ball has gone for 4 on Ishan's over. Oh, again a full toss. Looks like it slipped out of his hand. Wide given. Ishan is trying to settle in. Oh, that's a good ball. Spot on Yorker. Good comeback from Ishan. Oh, well bowled from Ishan again. A very good comeback from Ishan. Debo has been eyeing mostly on the leg side. It's a good contest. Oh, good comeback. Very good comeback and bowl. It's a very good Yorker from Ishan. Bold Debo.
Bilal Malik. 29 for 5. For 2 to go.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश
Debo gone. Bilal Malik in, the new batsman. Haugesund Cricket Club 29 for 5. Halfway mark.
पीयूष पीछे आ।
Warriors have been very decent with the bowling, sticking to tough lines. Oh, again a good ball. The ball has been moving for Ishan. He pitched it in the middle and it went towards the leg. Single from Bilal. Hamza on strike. Oh, it's a bit short of a good length. Dragged down by the batsman. Good save from Anil on the boundary. 2 runs taken. Anil has saved almost 2 runs on the boundary. The good effort from Warriors. 6 overs, 32 runs, 5 wickets for Haugesund Cricket Club. So far they have been scoring below 6 runs over mark. They would like to up the score, at least add another 35-40 runs to the total, so that they could defend well against Warriors. Warriors have good batsmen and few more good bowlers on the wings. Oh, that's a good ball from Pawan. First ball up, pitched on the off and moving outside. Bilal having a closer look at the ball. It's a good shot from Bilal on the off. Vikas picks it up, hurls it back to the bowler and the single. Warriors have been very tight with their bowling and keeping the opponents on the check. Oh, he's dragged it up. Barote underneath, takes it catch. It's a good ball from Pawan. Hamza gone. He drags the ball short of a good length. He sends it up and Barote takes the catch. New batsman in, Kiran Mane. He's one of their strong batsmen. Probably they have reserved him for the death overs. And Haugesund will be keeping their hopes on him to add those 30-40 runs extra to the score and put a decent total to defend. Kiran Mane generally starts slow but goes for those big ones soon. Pawan has been bowling so tight so far. Oh, it's a bit of a loopy full toss. Outside the off. Very good light for Pawan. Warriors are using the conditions well. And generally bowling away from the batsman, not going up to their strength. Bit short of a length, dragged on, too long on, single. Last ball of Pawan's over. He's bowled an excellent spell, keeping Warriors in the game. Oh, it's a good shot on the off. Vikas picks it up from the cover boundary and it's a single. A good over from Pawan. He finishes his excellent spell.
35.
The new bowler Paresh comes back to the bowling. He had a very good first over. Very economical and picked up wickets as well.
ये विकेट्स कितनी? 6 है ना?
Paresh ready to bowl his second over. Having a bit fun with the players on the boundary. Paresh starts his second over. Bilal on strike. A bit of full toss. Ganesh almost had the ball. He has to fumble the ball. But a good stop on the boundary. He almost had the ball.
भूल जा इसको. Forget about it, Chaba.
Ganesh missed the catch. There's a top edge and gone to the keeper. A very good ball from Paresh. He's turning out to be an excellent bowler for Warriors. He's picking up important wickets. Warriors absolutely on top of the game here. Giving no chance for Haugesund Cricket Club to come back in the game.
तीन बाकी शाबाश ले जा.
Haugesund have lost their 7th wicket. 36 for 7. New batsman Hamad into the crease. Warriors are bowling really well, absolutely giving no chance for Haugesund to come back. Haugesund will really be hoping to put up those extra 20-30 runs in the end for a decent total on the board for them to defend back. Paresh has been going really well with his bowling. Again goes with his excellent loopy ball on the outside. He's been spot on with his length and line. His execution is making batsmen difficult to pick the ball. A looser one on the leg side. One rare loose one from Paresh and it's converted to 6 by Hamad. 4 runs on the backward square leg boundary. Until the last boundary, Paresh has been bowling really well. Again starts with his long run up. Back on a good line. Looks like... Okay, the reverse sweep resulted in the top edge for a single.
1 to go.
Paresh to bowl his last ball of his spell. He'll be looking to complete his over, finish well. Bilal on strike will be definitely looking to go for a big shot. Well, ball on the off. Bilal moved towards the off, but he couldn't meet the ball. Very good end, very good finish from Paresh. 8 overs, 41 runs, 7 wickets. So far, Warriors have been in complete control of the game. Haugesund are trying to come back and gain the momentum, but they have been struggling. Last 12 balls of the innings, Hamad on strike. They'll be looking to go for boundaries here. Yorker, absolute Yorker, and it was flicked to the cow corner. Ganesh picked it up, hurled it back for a single. Ishan is bowling with a good rhythm and nice control. It was a length ball. He saw the batsman trying to come up. He pitched it on the length. Bilal has to miss. Bounced a bit. Good bowling from Ishan so far. It's a full toss, low full toss. Cut towards the offside just for a single. Haugesund somehow have not been getting those loose balls, or they have not been converting into big shots. It's a short ball. Top edge. Top edge to the fine leg boundary. This is the boundary that they were looking for.
51.
One odd bounce. Haugesund are slowly getting to their 50-run mark. They would be definitely trying to post somewhere between 65 and 70. Warriors have been very tight. Odd boundaries here and there. They're absolutely not letting Haugesund to free their hands. Warriors is one of those old teams that has been playing the tennis ball for a very long time now, almost a decade. That's bowled on the leg, and that was flicked to the leg, to the square leg. Catch missed by Ganesh. 2 runs taken. One rare miss, otherwise Warriors have been very tight. Haugesund are trying to build up the pace in the scoring.
49 हो गया.
Full toss on the off.
50 up.
Ahmad moved towards the off.
50 up.
Single and over up. Has been a decent over from Ishan. Last over remaining, 9 overs, 50 runs, 7 wickets. A decent run rate, but probably that's not enough against Warriors, because Warriors have a very good batting lineup. Deep down to the tail. Hamad on strike. Bilal on non-striker. Vishal is bowling his second over. And the last over for Warriors. Hamad will try to free up and score. That's a well ball from Vishal. He's spot on. That's not his usual pace. He's reduced his pace. He's very accurate with his line and length. He's been very successful with his modified bowling. Otherwise, Vishal is a pacer. He's a hardcore pacer in the leather ball, where he plays NCF for Lhasa. Eight wickets gone. For Haugesund, it's Varun who's the new batsman walking in. 5 balls remaining. He'll try to maximize the scoring. Vishal has been excellent with his medium pace. Generally, he bowls with higher pace. With the tennis, he seems to have adjusted his bowling. He's sticking to very good line and length. That's a loopy ball on the off. Pull towards the leg. Good pick up from Anil. Throw back to the bowler. Single. 4 balls remaining. Bilal on strike. 4 balls to go. He'll definitely looks to maximize. Oh, that's again a very good ball from Vishal. Bold Bilal. Clean ball. New batsman walking in, Nitin. Bilal out.
Come on, your wickets, wait, Chaba.
Vishal's new version of medium pace is working for him well. He generally bowls over the wicket, hits the deck hard with a leather ball, but this time around he's sticking to a very tight line and length. One of the last few wickets remaining for Haugesund. They'll try to score boundaries here. Oh, that's well played. Pulled it. Single. Haugesund have been struggling hard to put those big overs. They've been struggling to reach that 6 over runs a mark. Oh, that's a full toss. Missed. Pulled towards the leg. Just for a single. Last ball of Haugesund's innings. Will it go for a boundary? Will it be a dot ball or a wicket? Oh, that's a dot ball. Oh no, that's missed from the keeper. Ah, he's gone out, run out. A good throw from Paresh. Excellent bowling from Warriors. They have restricted Haugesund Cricket Club to 53 runs. 53 runs from Haugesund Cricket Club. 54 to win. Good bowling. Vishal Sharma. Mr. Vishal Sharma. Can we have please? Well bowled Vishal, 2 overs, 3 runs, 2 wickets. We have generally seen you bowling with a raw pace. And today we see you that you're reducing the pace and probably you're sort of a modified version of yourself. What does it do with?
I think it's a lot to do with like the conditions here, right? I think it's not the same pitch, not the same kind of ball. It's bouncing a lot, it's moving a lot. And I think once you put that ball in the front, in that zone of uncertainty, the ball is doing, the pitch is doing everything for you, right? So all I'm trying to do is just push the ball forward and then let it do itself. And there's nothing I'm doing, it's just the ball that's doing everything. So.
Haugesund have scored around 50 odd runs. Do you think you can get this done in half the overs, or how do you think is your batting going to go?
Yeah, I mean, it should be a chaseable total, right? We don't have to do anything silly, just, stick to play the ball at the merit. Even single doubles will win us the match. The one thing to do is the air. The wind is blowing that side, so if you hit anything in the air, it's just going to go for catches, right? That's how they got out. So I think we just have to be smart with our cricket and then get these runs on board. So I'm pretty confident that we can get it.
Now that this modified version of medium pace working for you, a kind of a slow medium, will you be doing this same with your the NCF matches?
I mean, I think it's good to have that skill under my belt. Someday it might be required. It depends on the condition, but I don't think I'll be switching right away. But unless it's a very bad pitch that's doing a lot of things, then I might change. But otherwise, I'll stick to what I'm doing there. So yeah.
Bowl well.
Thank you.
And good luck with the batting.
Thank you.
my eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Hey, a DJ, you like the way I sway? And I gotta get it my way. I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna bump it till it breaks. I got the movement and the attitude. I got something you could do. You could put my record on. You could play my favorite song, the one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. I got my eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, whoa, whoa. Eye on the door, whoa, 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 whoa. Eye on the dance floor, whoa, 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 whoa. Eye on the door, whoa. You could put my record on. You could put my record on. You could put my record on. You could play my favorite song, the one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. The one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. The one where the bass goes boom, boom, boom.
We are back online. Faisal bowling to Santosh Pednikar. That's a white ball. Warriors needs to chase 54 runs in 10 overs. That's a catch. Out. Santosh Pednikar is gone. That was a loose shot. Bilal taking the catch. Warriors have lost the first wicket. Looks like Hawkinson has a plan. They're trying to attack Warriors. Next batsman in is Anil Diman. Faisal ready for this second ball. Well played by Anil. That's intelligent batting, trying to get a single. Now the left-handed batsman Ishan Chaudhary is on strike. Faisal trying to bowl round the wicket, trying to cramp him for the room. This match is between Haugesund Cricket Club and Warriors A team. It's a good drive, straight to the fielder. No run. That was a full toss, but Ishan missed it. They run for a bye.
Not a lot of runs needed here, but it's a very mind game now. Single doubles will do it for Warriors. That's why you see like half the field is inside, half the field is outside. They know that. Haugesund knows that. They try to restrict even the singles and the boundaries both at the same time. Short ball, try to cut that on the offside. Anil knows that the field on the offside is not that much. The boundary riders, is only one guy standing at the point boundary. They should be keeping that in mind, that single doubles are important here. The pitch is not the kind that you can hit through the line. It's like the New York pitch. Pitched on the leg side. Pulled. 4 runs. What a welcome boundary for Warrior. Very well appreciated by the Warrior teammates here. A lot of cheers and claps. First over 7 runs for 1 wicket. It was a decent over from Faisal, but except that one boundary that came with the last ball changed the whole dynamics of the game. They're still within the run rate, Warriors. And Varun comes into ball the second over. Wow, what a shot! Just lifted off! And there's a crowd catch dropped by Sobi. That was just a slightly over pitch ball, full toss, made it full toss and lifted up right outside the ground. What a shot by Ishan. Good ball, a slightly back of a land delivery. Tried to cut that on the offside, but took an edge, single run. 2 balls, 7 runs already. And this is what Warriors need to do. Like when you have a good ball, just take a single, give it the strike to the other batsman and watch from the other side. That's the best way to play on this pitch. Driven on the offside for a single. Very sensible by Anil. The batting team needs to keep the point in mind that the wind is blowing on the other side. So if you hit straight, a good ball. If you hit straight, the wind is against you. So that's why like hitting the square is a better option in this kind of wicket. Because once the ball goes in the air, it is slowed by the air and then you end up getting catched at the boundary. So single taken again by Ishan. It's a good over so far for Warriors. Leg side, wide. Two more balls to go. Very sensibly played by Anil. He knows that if you lift that ball up, it might just sky up in the air and go for a catch. So just wait for the balls and hit that. Steps away, hits on the offside, takes a single. Last ball of the over and he will keep the strike. At the end of 2 overs is 18 runs. 18 runs for two overs. 1 wicket. Pollard is out now, but they still have Ishan and Anil in the middle.
एक मिनट अरे बोला तो नहीं ना, इधर कैलकुलेट करने दो, रुको ना जरा। तू बोल मत उसको बोल। अरे नहीं 6 बॉल हो गया। हां ओवर तो टैली करो। ओवर हां रे अब क्यों बीच में जा रहे हो?
Some confusion with the scoring there, and that's the end of the over declared by umpire and scorer both.
18
आ जाओ पश्चिम में बोलो। आखिर हमको आता नहीं है पूरा पश्चिम। बोलो बोलो। Now Faisal from Afghanistan end comes to bowl. He tries to sweep it. No run, dot ball by Faisal. Very good start for the over. We have a special commentator in the commentary box with us.
ډېر په زړه پورې بال د فیصل لخوا خو کیچ ډراپ شو لویس خبره نه ده ډېر ښکلې روانې شابه لاین ښه ولو خو بدبختانه کیچ ډراپ شولو
Abhi, you've tuned into the Sobi channel Pashto version now.
خو فیصل بل بال لپاره تیاری کوي ګوري چې څه به کېږي فیصل به هم د وکټ کوشش کوي خو امید موږ هم لرو چې ویخلي ډېر ښکلی ډاټ بال
पश्तो चैनल खत्म हो गया अभी. Good delivery, right, full up there in the block hole. 1 run taken. Block hole. Black hole means right. What do you see? Good delivery on the offside. One dot ball more. And you can see there's no sense of urgency in Anil's body language. He knows that if you take it till the end, they will win it. So he just wants to stay, keep his wicket, play his cool, and then win the match. This one picked up from a good length. Straight to mid off. Long off, sorry. 1 run taken.
21.
At the end of 3 overs, it's 21 runs for a loss of 1 wicket. He couldn't have asked for a better start for Warriors. कितना घंटा हो जाएगा सर? मान ले देखते हैं, बहुत लोग देख रहे हैं। 45 कितना घंटा हो गया अभी? 45 लोग देख रहे हैं।
Catch! Come on, easy. Yes!
This was launched in the air by Anil against the wind. Didn't hit it in the middle of the back. And he's out now. What a good catch taken at cow corner boundary. He was playing sensibly. He was taking it deep, but just got tempted with that ball that was pitched up. And unfortunately, he has to depart now. And with that, the captain comes in, Sandeep Parate. He has a big responsibility on his shoulders to win this first match for Warriors. Even though it's an easy target, it's always, can get complicated towards the end. So you want to stay ahead of that run rate. You want to stay ahead of that curve. and keep it cool, keep the match easy, and win it easily with like enough overs to spare, wickets to spare. So I think that's why Sandeep decided to go in himself. Next ball by Varun on the leg side, should be called a wide. One more run taken.
सचिन ते क्लिप करून लावू शकतो तू हातात धरायची गरज नाही ते.
Oh, that was a good delivery right in the block hole. And what a beautiful ground here we have in Lhasa premises. It's a beautiful setting, all green, lush, and then the weather has been quite nice as well today. Short delivery, pulled, and catch taken. Oh, this will turn the match for Warriors. Is there a twist in the turn? That ball was pitch short and hurried onto him. Murate had no time to pull it properly, so he could only do like a leading edge that was caught very well by the keeper. 2 wickets in this over. Still seems easy for Warrior, but that they might be in a slight border with those 2 wickets. Use the new batsman in. Full length delivery. Given all the respect due for that ball. He's bowling a good line and length, Varun. You know, just pitching it up there. Let the ball do all the work, all the movement, all the bouncing from that length. 2 dot balls in a stretch. Just lift it off to the long on boundary. 1 run. So very good over in the end. You know, at the end of 4 overs, 23 for 3. 4 overs, 23 for 3.
23 for 3.
बॉल टू बॉल है 31 बनाना है रिस्क करना रहेगा.
Warriors are still ahead in terms of the run rate required, so it should be easy for them as long as they don't like lose any wickets or be in a lot of hurry, because this is a tricky wicket, and one bad over can mess up things for them. So just keep it cool. Take single. Kiran Mane on strike now. Full toss delivery on the offside. Haugesund a bit disappointed with that. They could have had a run out there, but there was a fumble by the fielder.
Good shot, Piyush, आराम से.
So 1 run taken by Piyush there.
शाबाश किरण, प्रेशर में अभी घुमाएंगे, देख ले विकेट है.
Full toss ball, well on the leg side, 4 runs. And it's a good shot by Ishan. He was playing sensibly. He's waiting for that ball to come, full toss, a shot, the loose ball, and then he put it right in the place, the treatment that it deserved. Boundary.
No, 28. 28. 26 in 34. 26. वो कितना हो गया? बॉल रन कितना हो गया? 28 हो गया ना? Why, throw!
Very good delivery, sensibly played by Ishan on the point for 1 run. And that's what he's been doing good, right? He's hitting a boundary and then not missing out a good ball, just taking singles on that ball as well. So very, very important for Warriors to keep sticking to that kind of batting game plan. Delivery pitched well up on a good length. He was trying to cut it on the offside because the field on the offside is not that heavy behind the circle. Wanted to take advantage of that. Another dot ball. 2 dot balls in a row. This one will fall in the middle of 2 fielders. 3 actually. You know, the ball was in the slot, but they just took off from that slot length and then hit him very high on the bat. Went up skyrocketing in the air, but since he didn't time it that well, it landed between the circle and the boundary. So landed between 3 fielders, triangulating them. 1 run taken. He survives. 5 overs, 30 runs. They're going at a strike rate of 6. Bilal, the new bowler, right on the track, right on the money. First ball itself, dot ball. अच्छा बॉलिंग करा रहे हैं यहाँ पर बिलाल. ऑफ साइड में डाला है बॉल. 2 बॉल डाल दिए हैं. 2 बॉल डाला, कोई भी रन नहीं आला. और ये एक और रन दे दिया है वाइड डाल के. वाइड का इशारा, 1 रन का इजाफा. और ये उठा के मारा है सीधा. फील्डर के पास आ रही थी लेकिन आई नहीं. फील्डर बोल रहा आती नहीं. 1 रन लिया. Haugesund needs some magic balls to get some wickets here, because these single doubles will not let them win this match. And this time full toss ball hit on the offside. Fielder under it and he drops it. Oh, we were just talking about magic, but that's a blunder. Ishan, who was playing so well, gave up this catch, but dropped with both hands. There's a chance lost there for Haugesund. Could have been the difference, but not to be. Piyush on strike now. Delivery on the offside, no one there, was in the air for a while. They'll go for 2 runs there. Good running, very good running by Warrior guys. Both Piyush and Ishan. They know that you don't have to hit boundaries here to win this match. Single doubles will do it. So converting singles into doubles is a very key in this match itself for them. Oh, that's very good ball. Very good, like right on the good length area. And then just hurrying on to the batsman. He didn't have enough time to go behind and cut the ball or punch the ball. So dot ball. So at the end of 5 runs coming from it, 35 runs in total of 6 overs at the loss of 3 wickets. So still very comfortable for Warriors so far. No hurry, but they don't want to take this one to the last over. They want to finish it by 9th over or before, because last over you don't know what's going to happen. There might be some pressure, there might be some nerves there. So Ishan knows that. He might look for hit a boundary here and there and then try to finish it sooner than go to the last over.
त्याला माहिती नसेल ना ईशानला. आपण त्याच्या
क्या हो गया? क्या स्कोर हुआ? 3-4-3. इनको कितना चाहिए? कितने बॉल पे?
24 बॉल 19 चाहिए.
अभी 23 बॉल ना?
हाँ 23 बॉल में 19.
Ah, that's unfortunate for Ishan. He got a short ball. He's trying to cut it off, but then took that outside edge and good catch by the keeper in the end. So good knock by Ishan comes to an end. Ganesh is a new man in, and he's been told by the captain to stay easy, stay focused, and continue doing that single-double game. There's no need to hurry here. There's no need to do foolish things. Just do the basics and you'll be home, Warriors. But sometimes cricket is a game of nerves, You always want to do fancier things that you can do. And you might want to hit a 6 and then you get caught in the boundary. So don't have to do that, Warriors. Wait for the loose balls. Good ball, full length, well played by Ganesh. A sensible single run taken. That was a good ball by left arm Raj, right in the block hole, but then Ganesh was sensible enough to just play it and take a single run. Still looks heavy on the favor of Warriors this match, but you never know. If they take it to the last over, anything can happen. Good delivery. He's coming around the wicket and getting that angle across the batsman. So it's not easy to play him. But interestingly, they have all the field set up on the leg side, whereas he's bowling across the batsman on the offside. Because the nature of the ball is such that the tennis ball is not easy to hit with the drive on the offside. And this time, short ball pulled. Didn't take the bat, but was very close. Slight appeal, but not 100% convinced. So dot ball there. Full and delivery on the off stump, out of the ground, and I've been asked to go in the ground.
That was a good ball, right in the block hole. Piyush is out. Next batsman, the famous commentator Vishal Sharma is taking the role of a batsman. Warriors 36 runs, the loss of 5 wickets in 6.5 overs.
19 balls to 18.
Oh, it's a close match. 19 balls, 18 runs.
प्रेशर है हमारा मैच.
Oh, that was a great ball. Well done by Vishal to block it off. Single taken. At the end of 7 overs, Warriors are 37 runs, the loss of 5 wickets. 18 balls, 17 runs.
रेडी 17 पाहिजे 18-17 3 ओव्हर में 17 बाउंड्री पे है एकदम बाउंड्री पे नहीं
Bilal going to bowl the next over.
स्टार्ट ले गड़िया 3 ओवर बाकी है
Vishal on strike. That's a good shot, but only single taken.
आएगा तेरे पास ही आएगा
हम बॉलिंग कर रहे थे
शाबाश बिलाल भी अब इसके बाद ये मेडन निकालना है
Ganesh Chavan on strike.
ऑन शॉट बॉल चाहिए
It's a game of singles now. Hawkinson knows that, and they have the fielders closing.
ओह बॉल
Good delivery from Bilal.
शाबाश एक ही बॉल का वेट कर रहे हैं शाबाश easy
Good shot from Ganesh. Can they go for the second run? No, that would have been out. Good fielding from Kiran.
गुड कॉल शाबाश ऐसे ही
अमर
आएगा बीच में बॉल
हिट मार रेडी रहना बॉल है
Great delivery from Bilal again. Vishal trying to hit that out of the ground, but not able to connect. Oh, another ball. Vishal is not able to play that. Last ball of the 8th over. It's gone, Vishal. That was a slow ball. Warriors is 6 wickets down for 39 runs. This is a low scoring game. It's getting very interesting. 2 overs, 15 runs required.
15
एक और में
2 ओवर में शर्म आते क्या पूछने को
विकेट
6 wickets down.
4 चाहिए किरण की बाकी है
अब रेडी रहना ओके बाउंड्री रोक रहे शाबाश सिंगल से नहीं हो पाएगा इनसे Why, throw!
Oh, that was close. Not out. Good single from Ganesh. 11 balls, 14 runs required for Warriors. Only 4 wickets remaining. Can Ganesh Chavan get them through this close contest?
बेस्ट में तुम्हें पता है ना ये तेरी विकेट है सर Oh my God!
Good shot from Paresh.
सिंगल से नहीं होगा सिंगल से नहीं
Another single.
हो गया शाबाश शाबाश राज जी लेंगे ओके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं
Raj to Ganesh.
नहीं होगा।
Wow, that was a good ball.
नहीं दिख रहा शबा। प्रेशर में प्रेशर राज। Easy. Nice.
Another good ball from Raj, right in the block hole. Ganesh is not able to take the single.
एक सरप्राइज बॉल डालो थोड़ा।
9 balls, 8 balls, 13. Good catch from Vivek. Ganesh is gone. Warriors lose their 7th wicket. 7 balls, 13 runs required.
कॉल करने का नहीं, कैच के लिए
मैं सोच रहा मेरा था यार वो।
ऐसा सोचने का नहीं ना भाई।
चंदन सुपर सब कौन है विचार में? सुपर सब है चंदन। हाँ, दोनों में सुपर सब कौन है? दोनों में 13 प्लेयर दिया है
यार तेरा राज, तेरा यॉर्कर मस्त है यार।
कुठे लिहिलं आहे? नहीं लिखा है सुपर सब लिखना। हाँ,
हमारे में
7 balls.
Easy.
Oh, that was a great shot. 6. That's a great shot from Vikas.
7 रन चाहिए।
मेरा भी अपना गेम है शाबा।
6 balls, 7 runs required now.
47 के साथ 6 बॉल 7 चाहिए। 7 बॉल 7 है। 7 बॉल 7 शांत बने।
विशाला किधर गया?
अभी मैच मजेदार हो गया है बहुत यहाँ पर। 6 बॉल पे 7 रन चाहिए। सुपर ओवर भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। हमारे कमेंट आ रहे हैं बहुत देश भर से, दुनिया भर से। सोबी को आग और प्यार दे रहे हैं गौरव घोड़े जी। देख, आग और प्यार दिया है दोनों आपको। दिल दिया है, आग भी देंगे। अभी बहुत बड़ा जिम्मेदारी है यहाँ पर दोनों बल्लेबाजों के ऊपर। कंधा भारी हो गया है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा कंधे पे जिम्मेदारी बॉलर का है। क्या बॉलर जिता पाएगा ये? बहुत ही रोमांचक मुकाबला आखिरी ओवर का। ओह, सीधी डिलीवरी।
यार देख के टच कर। कम ऑन सबर।
अभी सीट छोड़ दिया है सब लोग, सब खड़ा हो गया है यहाँ पर। और एक लेवर।
चंदू जा यार।
7 runs still needed. 4 balls, 7 runs. They need that big 6. They need that 1-6 or a boundary. The Warrior is very much capable of doing that. It's just a matter of a good ball. Can Augustine bowl 4 good balls? Can Vikas get 1-6? Suddenly our online viewers have increased because of this situation. 51 online viewers all around the world watching.
डबल रोकना है अभी, डबल।
एक बॉल क्लियर करेगा परफेक्ट। 4 बॉल 7 पे यही है ना। ये हाँ
कितना बॉल बचा?
टाई हो गया तो क्या होगा?
अभी टाई होने में क्या होता है? सुपर ओवर।
4 बॉल है 4।
सो व्यूअर्स को बता दें, अगर ये मैच टाई होगा तो एक सुपर ओवर किया जाएगा। और ये उठा के मारा है बाहर, और ये ग्राउंड के बाहर 6 रन के लिए बहुत आला। क्या बात है, बहुत आला शॉट विकास ने निकाला, बहुत आला छक्का निकाला। अभी मैच बराबर हो गया है, 3 बॉल पे 1 रन चाहिए।
एक रन 3 बॉल 1 रन। अच्छा अफाफ पूरा सर्कल में, सब सर्कल में आराम से खेलने का शाबा।
ये टेनिस बॉल के बादशाह विकास भाई।
ऑफ में खाली करो, ऑफ में।
लेकिन वो सिंगल नहीं लेंगे, वो छक्का ही मारेंगे और 6 रन मार के जिता दिया है मैच। बहुत ही आला परफॉर्मेंस।
इसका इंटरव्यू ले पहले।
और ये बहुत ही भीम वाली इनिंग्स के लिए इन लोगों ने अपना गदा चला के आए हैं। देखिए यहाँ पर खुशी देखिए विकास के चेहरे पे आई है। विकास जी हम बात करते हैं आपसे जरा। सो भी जरा देखिएगा विकास पूरा फ्रेम में आ रहे हैं कि नहीं। हम दोनों जो है कि बहुत अच्छा खेले आप, लेकिन मैच एकदम थोड़ा आ गया था टाइट। यहाँ से नीचे पेट से निकल के गला में आ गया था, लेकिन आपने मुंह बंद करके अंदर ही रख दिया उसको, चबा गए, हजम कर गए पूरा मैच में। लेकिन आई थिंक जब when we were playing, when you were bowling, right, it's a very good total to defend. 53 runs, it's easy, seems easy, but then with the kind of pitch we have, anything can go wrong. And I think we were talking about here that if it goes to the last over, it can be a tensed situation. But at one point when they needed like 13 off 6 balls, it seemed a bit difficult. But then those 3 sixes you hit actually quite good. So what were you thinking when you were batting? Like, do I go for the ahead or should I wait at the back? Because all those shots were like one was at the back, one was in the front. Any strategy you want to share?
Actually, nothing special. I saw the ball was not pitching very high, and they were bowling to your hitting area. So I thought if there were 7 balls and 13 runs needed, I thought if I hit first ball 6, then we can take chance in the last over and make singles or something like that. But thanks to Paresh, he gave his wicket for me. I thought if he could not have run, then I would have been out. But he took the run, he gave me chance, so I thought let's convert it. And I know I don't want, my style of playing is if you see the ball, hit it long. So I did the same thing. I saw the ball, it was coming onto the back, I hit it long.
And that's the mantra. If you see the ball, hit it long. And that's what Vikas says. Well played, Vikas, and congratulations on the win. We'll see you in the next match.